Ah, there you are. I'm glad you could make it, even if it is today. I am the awful chef. Dinner time is here. Let's have some food. So, what do we got? Well, tonight I got one word for us, and that is yuck. I don't know what we got, but nobody in this house feels good. Nobody in this town feels good. So, what does an American mother do when you got to make food and nobody feels good? Then you pull out a bottle of jarred marinara and throw it over some noodles and call it spaghetti night. Okay. How do you do that if you're the awful chef? Let's make it a little better. Granted, you'll notice this does not look at all like a bottle of ragu. Spend some money, buy a good sauce. You don't have to spend $1,000 to get rouse or whatever that's called, but you do have to get something pretty good. Then you go over here, and here we have an awful chef technique. Oh yeah. Diced onions that have been cooked up in a little bit of olive oil for about 15 to 20 minutes. What does that mean? That means we got some brown edges. And a little overall golden color. I hope this comes... Oh, it is coming across beautifully tonight. Yeah, you can see I cut them a little fine. Mrs. Chef has been griping about my rustica style. So these are a little finely chopped. Okay, they are cooked. There's a little bit of brown on the bottom of the pan. Mrs. Chef, have you a comment? I guess not. So, brown on the bottom. Let's deglaze the pan with a little red wine. By the way, Mrs. Chef always has lots of comments, all of which are off camera. And I love her tremendously. Okay, so onions, wine, and olive oil. Basic stuff. So, what we're going to do tonight is attempt to make a bottle of marinara edible. A little bit of bell pepper, sliced fine, or diced finely, I guess you could say. Yes, I am feeling terrible tonight as well. Okay, that needs to cook a moment. I'm going to turn up the heat because I'm on YouTube. But our magic ingredient tonight is olive oil. We want the peppers to basically become a bell pepper confit, also known as bell peppers cooked in oil. This is what makes those bell peppers you get from the street vendor with your peppers and Italian sausage and onions so good is the excess of fat used to cook the bell pepper. Yes, I'm sorry, we are all animals and fat registers with us. Yippee. You want to hear about my lawn? Should I tell you a really bad pun? Should I promise to buy better camera equipment? Oh, my heavens. I'm feeling very ill today, very tired. And I have to make food, as do so many zillions of other people in this world. Because as people, we must eat. We must eat every night. And some measure of enjoyment must be attached to that. Or else we will just die. Okay, this will be a short show. Otherwise, I will have to come up with really bad puns to entertain you. So, what's going to happen? Well, that pan will cook. That pan will cook until the yellow bell peppers, which I've chosen in this case, are nice and soft and flavored with lots of fat, also known as olive oil. Once that is done, I will throw in some bottled marinara that I'm deliberately not showing you. But it is a good quality and is not insanely expensive as is Rouse. Shop around, find a bottle you like. Yeah, we're doing that American Housewife I don't feel like cooking thing. Okay, this is cooking nicely. The one lesson to get across tonight is that everybody likes bell peppers cooked in lots of olive oil. A little wine and onion and salt and pepper don't hurt either. But that is actually almost beside the point. I make a joke about bell pepper confit, but it is good. Bell peppers cooked in olive oil are a very good thing. So, after about 10 more minutes of peppers gently sauteing in olive oil, I will add the marinara sauce. And we will have a serviceable, if not excellent, dinner. Yeah, we're feeling kind of punk right now. I am not up to my usual. It's been a long month. Parties, indulgences, and thermonuclear war and chicken or monkeypox or whatever now. So yeah, we're all going to get through this. One meal at a time together. I am the awful chef. You will make it. You will make it with what's in your pantry if you follow some of my guidelines. This is social media. Please do that social media thing and subscribe, like, share, etc. Yeah. We'll get through this, you and me. And everybody else too. Thank you and goodbye.